Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unpacking and powering the Trezor, plug it into your computer and unlock your device screen. Follow the on-device prompts to install the bridge or use Trezor Suite. This ensures secure USB communication and firmware verification. Once connected, make sure firmware is updated. This prevents known vulnerabilities. You will be asked to create a PIN. Choose a length that balances security and recall. Finally, generate the recovery seed and write it down immediately. This seed is your irreversible backup. Now you initialize accounts and learn the transaction flow. You will confirm the PIN on the device for every critical action. This prevents remote misuse. When generating a seed, verify each word shown on the device against your written backup before continuing. This prevents transcription errors. Once done, open Trezor Suite to add Bitcoin, Ethereum, or tokens. The suite signs transactions without exposing keys. Make sure to enable passphrase protection only if you understand plausible deniability and how to complete transfers. Create a transaction in Trezor Suite or your compatible wallet and always verify the receiving address shown on the hardware screen. This prevents clipboard malware theft. Choose a fee based on current network conditions so your payment processes in the desired time. After signing on the device, confirm the broadcast and check the transaction ID. If something goes wrong, make sure to try a different cable or USB port, reboot both devices, and only reinstall firmware from the suite to avoid corrupt images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.